Hello everybody, Mr. Tiller here. I'm out in the school forest today overlooking the prairie, what we call the wetland, and the woodland portion of our school forest. We're going to be collecting some soils. Each group will collect a soil within one of the given habitats. We're going to pick different locations. We're trying to figure out what influences what a soil looks like vertically. So as we move from, for example, the top of the prairie to the middle, to the bottom of the prairie, into the wetland, and then over to the forest, what environmental factors and conditions affect what a soil looks like. So let's take a look at a couple of students using the bucket auger to collect some soils. When we get back inside, we'll take those soils, we'll start the analysis of them, and try to form some sort of a relationship between where we collected the soil and what those soils look like. Okay, so we are in the forest. We're collecting some soil. We're looking for those soil forming factors. The soil forming factors lead to the various characteristics we're seeing in our soils. We're collecting soils in different spots. We're going to analyze those soils and see if we can pull the factors out which affect what a soil looks like. Right now we're collecting 1 foot of soil at a time, and we're collecting bags whenever we see a horizon change. And those changes could be indicated by anything such as color change or textural change. And we're collecting these soils, we'll take them inside and we'll analyze them. Take a look at this. Using the bucket auger.
They'll be fine.
Good job, you guys.
Wait, we have to measure it first.
All right.
Measure the depth.
Come on.
See what that layer is. Here we are in the wetland. Zach is augering down some soil using a bucket auger. We're extracting 1 foot at a time. We're looking for differences in the soil horizons. So every time we see a change, we collect a new bag of soil. We're discussing what those changes might be, things like texture, things like color, the amount of organic material might change. You might see a difference in the plant material, roots, etc. Okay. Color changes, anything that might indicate a change in the soil. So today we're at the bottom of the pond in the wetlands. Earlier we collected the soil from the more flattened area. We collected a little bit higher on the hill, and we're hoping to, through the analysis of soils at different sites, to pull out the soil forming factors. What factors contribute to the characteristics of the soil in different locations looking different? Got an interesting little piece of soil here. Just pulled this out of our wetland soil. Heavy clay, some gray and orange mottling. We'll take this inside and try to figure out why the soil has developed in this particular manner in this particular site. What factors contribute to the soil looking this way at this vertical depth?